All right, what's going on, gang? We are heading to the shoe repair shop. It took me I lost the footage of me on the phone and stuff. My SD card got corrupted, but thankfully I had backed up all my stuff, so that's why we do that. But yeah, basically this Louis Vuitton belt don't fit me no more at the moment. It could one day, but I gotta get really lean because I was like 180 pounds or something like that. So I'm 220 now, so that's 40 pounds. So instead of going on a super restrictive diet for months and months, what I could do is put a notch right here. So that's what we're planning on doing. We're gonna go. I called a couple places. I called Louis Vuitton directly, see if they do it. They don't. Well, at least over the phone you get to the customer service, so I would have to go there, and I don't want to go down there. I work later, so I would rather save a bunch of time, go to a place up here, and hopefully they do a good job. We'll see about that. Do you know where the Eagle shoe repair is? Is it upstairs? Or? The guy. Okay. Stuff, yeah, yes, ma'am. Totally. Leather worker, right? Yeah. All right, guys. God bless. You too. All right. Oh, you're on the right track. My dog would probably do it for a Louis belt. That's just all they know. They don't know nothing else. I tried to show you flavors of India. Nice little Indian restaurant. Mission Control. It's Mission Control. That looks serious. It sounds badass. I'm at Mission Control. Dry cleaner. Oh, that's the spot. That's the spot. Dry cleaning, laundry, alterations. Thank you. How's it going, boss man? Good. How are you today? Hey, so you guys work with leather and stuff, right? Mm-hmm. Are we able to put another notch like here?
If you want, we can just follow the same measure.
Right.
You have space
and then add like 1, 2. I don't plan on getting any fatter, but when I got this, I was like 188. You know, now I'm like 220, so I was like 40 pounds. I could just add some more holes.
Yeah, I can add. Let me add 2, and you can try it on to see how it fit.
Okay.
If that doesn't fit, I can make the last one.
No problem. And then how much does that cost?
For that will be, so 2 holes is $2 per hole.
Okay, no problem.
So 2, 4, and probably 6 if I do the third one. Okay.
Yes.
Give me just a moment, so I can do it right now. Okay.
Oh, excellent. Thanks, brother.
Those are okay right now.
Took care of us, y'all. Got us a tuna melt and some soup and an OJ. Let's get it. We're gonna find a safe spot to eat this though. Oh, that one on the right?
Better to the here to them.
Actually looking good. I believe you, brother. It's okay.
Yeah, bro. I mean, I will charge you like $80 to replace it. Just because we have to open it and all that stuff.
I'll do a video of that part. Yeah, so we need one of those bad boys. Yeah, screw it, dude. Let's send it, bro. I'm down for 80. I'm down for 80. Cool. Oh, yes, sir. I can finally get an aquarium now. That's space. That's amazing. Oh, that one's pretty. Orange striped tang. What's that fish? That's gotta be a lionfish. Ballodin lionfish, 120 bucks. Then you got a copper band butterfly. Whoa.
You know what? Let's do the fox face.
That one's cool. I wonder if they have any greenfish, like, you know what I mean? They look happy. They look healthy. They're like active and stuff. You know? Like that one is insane. Because it's got like a.
When you look at it with me, maybe I'm just seeing it wrong. When you turn it this way, on the
What do we got here? Cardinal, purple firefish, flametail blenny, yellow flame, white sleeper gobies, white is got white sleeper. Rainbow ones? Rainbows?
Any questions?
No, brother. I get my phone repaired right over there.
Okay.
And I was like, dude, they only got a fish shop. So I finally have the space for one. So I'm brainstorming, you know.
For us.
What's like something small and manageable to start, like starter build, you know?
Like a 20 or 30 gallon.
20, 30?
So this is a 20.
20, okay.
That one with a stand, I think it's 250. So it's tank stand, return pump skimmer for 250 if I remember correctly. And then there's a 30 gallon, which is like another 6 inches wider or so. I get that one for $2.99. Tank stand, so tank stand, skimmer.
Like all the same stuff, but just bigger. Does it come with like stuff inside too, or I gotta buy all that extra?
You have to buy all that too.
Man, I don't think I've seen any stuff that like actually moves like that before.
If not, I gotta get
So 250, and then you got the fish. Damn, you sell starfish too? That's insane.
No, 50. I have an oil change in there. I don't know how long that's.
That's a real starfish.
And I have a couple of taps. Where's it going to? From where to where?
It's up here in the northwest. Two houses are like 2 miles apart. Or delivery of water is $100 per delivery.
Is this the Reefer G2?
No, this is just this is Seaside Aquatics, Aqua Japan. This is just a brand that we carry.
Oh, got you. It looked kind of like this one was kind of looking similar, but
Yeah.
obviously,
The bottom
that's-
one's a little
you know, obviously it would be brand new and shiny and all that. So so real quick, just so I kind of know what all that stuff is. Skims like
just pulls the inorganics and stuff out.
poop and whatever. Inorganic?
Inorganic and like the fish waste and all that.
Fish waste, okay. So that's the skimmer pump. Obviously keeps everything flowing and oxygenated. What was the other third thing? Pump, skimmer, stand, obviously stand.
tank.
So stand meaning like
Something
what?
that would stand on.
Oh, like that, like seriously, like up that high?
About.
Yeah, because I don't want to put on a cabinet, right?
Yeah, you could, but you don't have to.
Yeah, I don't even have a cabinet. I think that would work, but well, maybe I do. But okay, stand, pump, skimmer, stand, all included for $250. And then what are those over there? Like hookah things? Yeah.
Skimmer, big skimmer.
Big skimmer, like big boys, like for all the like.
Bigger tanks, stuff like this.
So you got heck of fish. Oh my gosh. I bet is your favorite show freaking Tank? You know?
Well, it used to be a long time ago. Not
Yeah. I don't even. Is it still? They still make
They went out of business.
the whole thing is. Just,
Company.
well, did they purposely go out of business or did they just go bankrupt or something?
They
By
did
choice.
bankrupt.
Just mismanagement. They're like, oh, we're on the top of the world. We got a TV show. You can't touch us, you know?
Yep, pretty much.
And they're doing these big bad things for all these celebrities and nothing for regular people or something.
And they weren't paying their employees and all that.
Oh, that's, yeah, go out of business. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
For the vlog. Alright, we saw the fish. Now it's time to see the reptiles. Hopefully.
They're really cool.
No way, no way.
Can we go boss one for me?
Yo. Alright. Do you have any oh, what is that? Bearded dragon?
Tegus.
Tegus? Or gray goose, like the vodka?
Pretty close.
Yo, You want? Oh, he's trying to get that food. I've never seen that in my life. Oh, this whole thing says okay. I got it. That's so cool. He's a tegus.
Yeah, he's a red tegu.
Oh, tegu. That's okay. Tegu. Not tegu. And then these are all tegus.
Those are all 3 tegus. 2 reds and a black and white Argentine.
Yeah. Yo. Right.
So let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Like the diverse diet.
Yeah, they don't. It's like an ant or a beetle that they eat in the wild that allows the toxin to go through their skin, but in captivity they just eat crickets and fruit flies and stuff like that. So.
Oh damn, you feed them a good amount too. I mean, you know. Damn, they're going wild. It's on his head. It's on his head. There's a cricket on your head. And then it jumped to the other one's head.
Yeah, they usually go crazy too. These are funny. They usually all hide underneath this little thing.
I could see how you could fall in love with this, dude.
These guys usually all hide underneath here.
Oh yeah. And these are
Acumonitors.
Acumonitors. Sounds like a company name.
It's a
You know?
dwarf monitor lizard.
Oh, okay.
They only get about 30 inches.
Only 30 inches.
That's small for a monitor. Monitors
Right.
can get over 9 feet.
You ever seen a Komodo dragon in real life?
I have. There's one in Mandalay Bay at the
Like-
Shark Reef.
Okay. I've been in Shark Reef. I don't
It's on
know.
exhibit.
Those things are cool. Acumonitors. I would like any of these like handleable. You know, like you can like pat them and they'll be chill, or
Yeah, the majority of them are.
they won't run away. Like they'll know, like, hey, come here, I'll feed you.
It's not guaranteed, but yeah,
Yeah.
like a majority of the animals are pretty good with handling.
$400 bones, dang.
Those ones back there are $5 grand a piece.
The
The big blue monitors up on the back wall.
oh my gosh, I didn't even see that. $5 grand. Okay, I must start small. I didn't make it rapping yet, you know.
Yeah, no, they're not cheap animals for sure.
I'm just getting a quick margarita at Don Maria's. I came here on Cinco de Mayo, dude. This place is a place to be on Cinco de Mayo. They had a whole full-on mariachi band, full on, as well as just it was packed. It was like a 30-45 minute wait, but worth it. I mean, and we'll see how this margarita de fresa con tajín blended tastes. Cheers. Ooh, that tahín's good. Ooh. Yummy, y'all. Don Maria's for sure. I gotta come back on Cinco de Mayo, dude. I haven't seen a mariachi band since then, so I gotta check it out. Yeah, y'all. So still got like 30 minutes for my phone to get fixed. 30 minutes left on that. I just checked in on it. He said about 3:30, so about 2:55. Figured get a little margarita action, chill, you know, sit down. We got a lot of talking done with that reptile guy, aquatic place. music guy, so may even start playing the saxophone, y'all. You know, saxophone, or they also have like a viola, violin, and stuff like that too. I think sax is the way though, cause like, so like being like a little rapper or whatever I do, you know, it's cool. I don't want to be a one-man show, you know. I want to be in a company. I want to be in an accompaniment with others, like in a band, in a group, you know. And so I feel like sax will go well with anything, like, you know, like drums and stuff like that. Like sax, everybody wants a good sax player on their team, right? You know, like you gotta imagine life like this. Imagine life like this. Would you pick you if you were in that lineup? You know, let's say on that football field or whatever, like the PE class, right? In PE class, are you gonna be picked last? Would you pick you last, or would you pick you first? You know, and I'm slowly starting to be that guy that's like, that's the guy I would pick, you know? Or I would for sure pick that guy over a bunch of other people, like plenty of other people. I would pick me, you know? I'm pretty quick and stuff, but just more so, just if you apply that same principle to other things in your life, okay, get yourself to the point that you would pick yourself, right? That's how much you gotta love yourself. You gotta love yourself, take care of yourself, and be the best version of yourself, so that you would pick you in a lineup of, you know, on a team. And also everybody wants you to be on their team, right? So that's kind of the metaphor as well. It's like, be the guy that everyone wants on their team. There you go, that's what it was. Be the guy that everyone wants on their team. Be the most thoughtful, friendliest, serious when it comes time to get serious, hardest working. Be the hardest working, generous. Just become that, or strive to do that. That's every day, y'all. We're working on improvement, 1% better every day. We are getting better. We're getting better, being better listeners. We're really great at listening to people now. We do not talk over people, unless it's like, oh yeah, for sure, oh yeah, but we don't cut them off when we say that, you know. Just sort of things like that, you know what I mean? So yeah, gang, I'm gonna enjoy this margarita. I'll catch you. Just saw this sweet Challenger, guys.
Yeah, you want to get the engine or not?
Well, I was gonna get that. Yeah, I was gonna. One more. Yeah. Oh, that was so sick. That was so sick, dude.